We have here a straight connector or a 90-degree. So based on your application, you can choose the one that works best for you. There have a 90-degree soldering sizes from 3/8 up to 2 inch. Now we'd like to show you how to install the non-metallic liquid tight connectors. This is a piece of 3/4 inch. The Linsky's connector is labor saving. Simply back up the bushing. Loosen the bushing, put it to the edge of the conduit and push it in. Then to ensure a watertight seal, just tighten it up. This is labor saving due to the fact that you don't have to pull this connector apart, as I'll explain here with the 90-degree. Simply just loosen up the bushing, bring it up to the edge of your conduit and push it on, and then to ensure a watertight seal, just tighten it up. So that is the approved method of putting on a straight and a 90-degree connector. For more information about products, please visit our website.